Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Jevan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos.
Panchagadaayi, as the name suggests, has 5 main ingredients: broken wheat, moong dal, chana dal, jaggery, and coconut. This is especially made by the Kochi GSBs on Janmashtami and served as prasad. For this, we need half cup of broken wheat or Goa kono, quarter cup of chana dal, quarter cup of moong dal, 3/4 cups or more as per taste jaggery powder, 1/3 cup of thick coconut milk, 1.5 cups of thin coconut milk, 10 to 15 cashews, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a little ghee for frying the cashews. First, lightly roast each dal separately till aromatic and lightly brown. Wash the dals and Goa kono. Pressure cook them together using the thin coconut milk. Don't use water here. Use enough of the coconut milk only for cooking. Cook up to 5 whistles. Here is the cooked dal and the broken wheat. To this, add the jaggery powder along with a little water. You can also melt jaggery in a little water, strain, and then add it. Bring to a boil and let simmer for some more time until the dals have blended well with the jaggery. In the pan, add a little ghee and fry the cashews to a golden brown. You can now add the thick coconut milk. Switch off flame when you see the first boil. Add the cashews and the cardamom powder and mix well. Keep the consistency as to how you like it. Remember, this always tends to thicken when cooled. Your Panchagadaayi is ready to be offered for Nivedam. Hope for this Janmashtami you will surely make this and enjoy with family and friends.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.